mid-afternoon work snack.
Cutlery organizer from IKEA. I was holding off on matcha because I want to test this out. Taste test impression. Finally set up the office! Good morning! It is day. I have completely lost track of what day it is. Today, I'm back at work and I'm working from home today. Very grateful for that because I have some packages that came in today, so I need to be home for that, and also I have an appointment this morning for home stuff. Exciting development. I'm just having my laptop right here working away. In the meantime, some packages arrived and we have some light. Our lights came in the mail, and these are the lights for like the kitchen as well as the living room. Very exciting stuff, and I'm looking at the lights right now. They look in great condition, so very happy with that. That's a little update. I'm just gonna work for the rest of the day and then head into my appointment this afternoon, and then I'll update you guys later. Okay, I just made myself a little mid-afternoon work snack. This is just cream cheese on toast with blueberries and a little drizzle of honey, and then I also made a matcha latte, of course, and I'm gonna devour this because I was feeling really peckish and get back to work. Oh yeah, this is much needed.
Sensitive to me being, super loud. Hopefully you guys can hear me. And so I'm just gonna show you guys what I usually do. So first,
it is many days later, and we finally set up the office. Look at this. Okay. We just put all of our standing desk inside, and this is my desk. Oh my gosh, she looks gorgeous. I love her. She is beautiful. I love her in all her gloriousness. This is my setup. I'm gonna put everything in here. And then this is Jason's station with a giant L-shaped standing desk. Beautiful. Perfect in this spot. And then we have our piano in this corner. So that's the current arrangement right now. Yeah, that is the office. We just picked up a portable AC. So now we're gonna set it up because it's really freaking hot. Our AC. Finally, some airflow over there. Well, the one that's not a portable AC, guys. Ha ha ha. Oh yeah. Log the fuck in, baby. Guys, we just filmed a whole ass clip without me pressing record. I am such a dumbass sometimes. Okay, now that my setup is like somewhat shit, look at this view right now. Can you believe this is actually my office view right now? I can't. Anyway, since the view is immaculate and the lighting is spectacular, why don't you, Jason, give us a rundown of what you're gonna put on your desk? He's tired, guys. Give him a second. I think right now we're gonna assemble the bed frame, or hopefully do something like that. Because I feel like that's probably the only thing left. And then put the mattress on top. Guys, of course, she belongs with me on my desk. This is the free room that Jason won for me at the claw machine in Tokyo. After like a million tries, he finally got it. She's so pretty. Another day, another furniture building day. Today, we're tackling the bedroom. So we're gonna get all the boxes in and started building. Don't mind the little weird lighting going on, but I just got back from IKEA and I picked up this like kitchen cutlery organizer from IKEA. So I'm gonna reorganize this whole drawer because right now it's looking quite messy. But I'm very excited to pick this up. I've been thinking about this like all day, and I literally just want to pick it up like right before closing. And I also picked up like the shower curtain rod, which there's one left in stock, so I was very lucky to grab the last one that they had there. So that was great. So let's get organized.
Intense disassociated. It's just like there's 3 of them. Right dead. I'm like, and I like just streaming. So
Exactly what I need right now. I am very excited.
My song.
We have a new exciting addition to the kitchen that was gifted by Jason's coworker, which is very, very nice of them. But I'm gonna show you guys that later. Right now, I'm gonna organize this. Jason's been blasting Jay Chow lately, and it's like been stuck in my head. Don't get me wrong, I love Jay Chow. Fucking amazing. It is currently many hours later, 5 hours later, 7 hours later perhaps, and the bed is finally assembled. This was a pain in the butt to set up, but we did it. We did it. It only took us a lot of sweat, blood, and tears, but ta-da! Thoughts?
It was a lot of work.
It was a lot of work. Now, the best part is that we're gonna put on the mattress! Guys, you have no idea. This moment is very exciting. Jason's been like waiting for this moment as soon as it gets here to lie on the glorious seahorse mattress. So the moment is here. It has come. After hours of hard work, it has come. It's fun. Move. Bed frame, mattress, assembled, success. Teamwork. Wait. Fucking tired. Good night. We're gonna go shower and sleep. Bye. Good morning. It's the next day. We have a very exciting package to open. It's an espresso machine. Here you go, guys. Way.
Thank you to my coworker.
Thank you. Lisa's coworkers kindly gifted us an espresso machine.
Getting used to the lights, guys.
I was holding off my matcha because I wanted to test this out. Something like this. Guys, I finally figured it out. This goes here. Prop it on here. Press open the pods. Goes in there. Press it. Press the button. Opening the pods. Ta-da! Guys. Fancy schmancy! Ice Reguero today. Can't really see the color. It's like, oh, actually, yeah, you can see it. It's blue. You pop it in. And then you press it, right? Homemade iced latte.
I'm gonna mix it up.
I'm gonna do a first taste test impression. Ready? Ooh. Whoa. I like that. That's really good coffee. It's very oaty. Good coffee. It's good, right? Ooh, that's really good coffee.